A common situation that some of our business clients find themselves in is the situation that we call the business divorce. And like its name implies, it's where two partners or three partners of a business want to basically divorce each other and not be in business together. What will happen is things are all great at the beginning when they establish the business, and they don't think about what will happen, 5 years down the road, 7 years down the road, 10 years down the road. If one of them has an event in their life, they need to walk away from the business. Maybe they had a spouse die or a family member with a sickness. They need to move away or something that happens. Or maybe they frankly, don't see eye to eye anymore. Those situations tend to escalate really quickly, even though the people were formerly great friends. Situations or questions that those clients typically have at that point is they say, look, right now my partner is doing X, Y, and Z, and I just don't agree with any of those decisions. I want to do A, B, and C. We're not seeing eye to eye. What do I do? Can I just walk away from the business? You can't limit your liability by just walking away. Can you? Can you just walk away legally? What happens? What about all the business debt? What about the documents at the Corporation Commission that still have you listed as a business partner or a member of that limited liability company, for example? What steps actually need to be taken to walk away or divorce yourself from that business? Can you walk away? Do you need to buy your business partner's interests? Does he need to buy you out? What about those debts, the credit card debts? If you do just walk away, he could potentially do things that will continue to expose you for liability. We've had clients come to us in the past that have said, hey, I haven't had anything to do with that business for the past 2 years. I just let my brother continue to run it. Well, they've come to us in a situation where now all of a sudden they're getting credit card bills, for example, in their name that their brother had been running up for a while. Well, what liability does that person have? We here at Denton and Peterson can advise the clients about what these proper steps are to actually end the business, walk away from the business, buy out the business interest, sell the business interest, file whatever papers need to be filed with the Corporation Commission to properly make sure that this business divorce, if you will, occurs properly so that the proper people remain on the business and those that don't want anything else to do with the business don't have anything to do with the business. It's not a simple process, and it's something that you need to really consult with an attorney who has experience in this area so that you don't find yourself in a situation a year down the road where all of a sudden you're being served with a lawsuit about liability related to this business. We'd be happy to share with you our knowledge about what to do in these situations, and we can properly put your mind at ease that you are officially divorced from that business.